So here goes some oven roasted fish stuffed with callaloo, carrots, Irish, veggies with some fish noodles. Here I am just tearing a little part so you see that this fish is well done. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Here I have my seasonings that I will be using to prepare these oven roasted fish or oven style fish. I will be baking these or roasting these in my oven in foil paper. So I use some frozen okra, some fish noodles, some carrots, some Irish, some tin callaloo or also called Jamaican spinach with my seasonings, my onions, bell pepper, my thyme, and a little butter. I also use some bay leaf. So the first thing I will be doing is I will be making a sauce, or I'll be making the veggies to use to stuff the fish. The Irish and the carrot is a little harder to cook, so I added it in my frying pan and I will not be cooking them. I am just sauteing the veggies, the seasonings. Once everything is stuffed in the fish after it is prepared, then the cooking process will be easier. I could have also added the raw carrots and the raw Irish into the stuffed fish, but I prefer to pre-coat this with even the noodles before adding this in my oven. So I added my noodles, my seasonings, my carrots, and my Irish, and then I added some frozen okra. Then I will be adding in my callaloo. My fish, I seasoned them a couple hours before and left them to marinate. Once I make my sauce, I will set that aside. You will see me how I stuff my fish. And I do this because noodles are harder to cook. The fish does not take a long time to cook. Hence the reason why I sauteed it before I will be using it in these oven roasted fish. Then I added my callaloo. The only thing I needed on this was a little black pepper. Did not use any salt because the fish is already seasoned, and also the chicken noodle has flavor in it. With the butter, no salt. This was tasty. This was so good. I exempted salt because the noodles are already salted. So my veggie sauce is done and I'll be using foil paper. Here I pulled a little bit off too much, but don't mind because I did not want them to like drain in the oven. And then I added a little butter on each foil wrap to just grease the section where I'll be adding my fish for roasting in the oven. Once I do my foil, then I set it aside. So there I have my seasoned fish, well seasoned, well prepared, well cleaned, cut off the fins, cut off the side bones and everything. Make sure the fish is like in good order, nothing to stick, cut off most of the tail. I know a lot of persons don't like the head. I don't like the head either, but I prefer to roast it or to cook it with the head. Then I'll probably throw it away or someone else will consume it. Once I'm done, I just wrap my foil as you see there. Make sure it's in a lot of foil paper. This one had too much, so I ripped a piece off, which I'll be adding at the end because the tail was showing. So I just added the rest of it on it, and my fish is ready. There's my fish cleaned. I cut them on the sides because I wanted the seasoning to like seep through. I stuffed it with the callaloo mixture, the noodle mixture, and the veggies. I also sprinkled a little on the fish, and listen, these are some snapper, not Jamaican snapper. And you know, these fishes we get in the US, it's not salt. It's not salted, or it doesn't taste salty like the sea fish, but it was good. You have to just learn how to season the fish. And I use like Old Bay, black pepper, all purpose to season over time. So here I have them in my oven, and like 30 minutes in, I just turn them over quickly. Here, 1 hour into roasting in my oven, there goes my finished fish. So here my light went out and I did not even realize. Look at this. No rice, no staple except my callaloo roast fish or spinach fish roasted, whatever you want to call it. This was tasty. And might I mention that I also used a little pepper. It wasn't Scotch bonnet pepper, but I did add a little pepper to give it a little hype or a little taste. I love my fish when it's like really spicy. There I'm showing you the stuffing inside. This was mouth watering. It's been years I haven't done oven roasted fish. This was good. This was a quick, easy dinner. Quick in my oven. This was ready for dinner. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Thank you for your support. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit your notification bell so you get notified each time I post my videos. I have been posting 1 video per week because I am putting so much work into these videos and they are not being watched. I'm not really getting the support. So I went back down to doing like 1 video per week until I see my content like getting more views, more watch hours. Then I think it is wise for now to continue to do what I was doing before. There is my oven roasted fish, and I'm gonna tear a little piece off so you see the inside. Well done, juicy. Again, another video that I do hope you enjoyed. Another dinner, lunch, brunch idea. Stay tuned. See you soon in my next video.